Now, your WLKY weather with Chief Meteorologist Jay Cardosi.
All right, another beautiful day on this Monday. This on the heels of what turned out to be one fantastic November weekend, but we've got some changes. We have some impact weather on the way, beginning very, very late tonight, and it's going to extend right through tomorrow as well. Now, much of the night, especially prior to midnight, just a couple of clouds. It'll be nice and quiet. Quite cool. We'll be steadily dropping back into the 40s the deeper we go into the evening. Bottom out in the low 40s after midnight. Clouds will be on the increase, and then around 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, right through the morning commute, we're going to be dealing with a scattering of showers, even a few thunderstorms. And I know what you're probably thinking, 44 degrees and thunderstorms. That's at the surface now. You go a little bit higher up in the atmosphere. It's warmer. There's more instability. That's what those storms will be tapping into, and that's why we have a chance for some thunder and lightning, maybe even some small hail in spots as well. Right now, things are quiet. 53 degrees and east wind in here around 5 miles per hour. Just a couple of clouds moving across the region as we speak. It's been another delightful autumn afternoon with high pressure in control, but that's the system I'm watching out here in Nebraska. I've got a pocket of jet stream energy aloft. There's the surface system, and with the stronger winds higher up in the atmosphere, that's what could lead, not a foregone conclusion, but that's what could lead to a few stronger cells, most notably tomorrow afternoon into the early evening. So let's go ahead and talk about that. Let's go ahead and talk about the future cast. This is midnight now, and things will still be on the quiet side. Clouds on the increase. We approach 4, 5 o'clock early tomorrow morning. A scattering of showers, a few thunderstorms will begin developing. I think those will grow upscale as we move through tomorrow. Pretty good batch of rain and a few storms rolling across the region. And then as the main cold front actually moves through with its low pressure area late tomorrow evening, there could be a couple of stronger cells that kind of mix in. We'll have to watch for that very, very closely. As far as rainfall, this looks to be a pretty good soaker for many of us. We see the greens, southern Indiana through the metro, portions of Kentucky. Yeah, we're talking 1 to possibly 2 inches of rainfall. Lighter amounts the farther north you go, and also off to the south. As far as the strong storm threat is concerned, much of the viewing area, we have the chance for a couple of stronger cells, some hail, maybe some gusty winds. An isolated severe storm cannot be ruled out. To me right now, with the data I'm looking at, how the winds are turning in the atmosphere, the greatest potential for a tornado spin-up looks to be west and southwest of our region. I'm watching it close. If that changes, of course, I'll keep you posted and have the new information for you tonight at 11 o'clock. All right, here's our forecast now as we roll through the evening. A few clouds, quiet and chilly, 50s back into the 40s. It looks unsettled tomorrow. Here comes the impact weather, occasional showers, a few thunderstorms. Boy, raw too in the morning, just 40s. We'll climb into the upper 50s late in the day, and that's when we could get that chance for a stronger cell or two. You know, we quiet it down Wednesday and Thursday, but it's not bright by any stretch. It's kind of cool, a little drizzly on Wednesday. One more rain chance in here with impact weather Friday, and then the weekend arrives and it turns night.